let me present to you the 5 skincare things or tips you probably wished you knew in your 20s. So I have a lot of younger clients in the salon looking for tips and advices of how to take care of your skin, and it made me thinking about what are the 5 skincare tips we probably all wished we knew in our 20s. Young people seems to be more aware today of the health of their skin and know more how to take care of their skin. I can see it mostly like with sun protection. In the past, I used to mention sun protection to clients, and like they were like, "Yeah, maybe just in the summer." Blah, blah, blah. Today, I feel that so many people are using it every day, and it's beautiful. So this is great that we have more awareness, but I don't want social media to be their main source of advice, because often these experts have minimal, if at all, experience and no qualifications. So I put together 5 skincare tips for life, to start when you're young, but it will help everyone to work towards a healthy skin. And this tip applied to anyone, no matter your age, if you're 20 or your 50s or whatever. There are a lot of misconceptions about skincare and skin health, mostly created by large corporations looking to sell more products. So I'm here to make things more clear and simple and bring you my 5 skincare tips we all wish we knew in our 20s. Skincare tip 1: don't over exfoliate your skin. This is a big one and something that nearly, well, I don't want to say that, but a lot of people do without even realizing it. With the layering product trend at the moment, people don't realize that they are using ingredients that could be double exfoliating the skin. Most people are aware that scrub exfoliates, but do you know that also enzymes, acids such as hyaluronic acid, different fruit acids, also exfoliate your skin? On top of this, a lot of people now use retinol, which is also exfoliating, has also exfoliating properties. So if you're using a scrub to exfoliate twice a week, also use a cleanser with enzymes and your serum with hyaluronic acid or retinol, you are 100% doing over exfoliating. And what's the problem with that? The problem is we strip away the natural oil balance from the skin, then the skin feels it's in emergency mode, no oils, I need to produce more oil, and bam, you get breakouts, acne, excessive oil. And it's just, you also exposing this the new skin cells like over, if it makes sense, and the skin becomes dull and dehydrated, and it can also be inflamed. And the worst is if you already suffer from conditions like acne or rosacea, you don't want to do that. So the solution: switch to once a week gentle natural face cleanser. Switch to once a week gentle exfoliator, and that's on top of your daily natural face cleanser, a good serum and a cream. That's it. Once a week, easy. Don't over exfoliate. Skincare tip 2: some moisturizers do more harm than good. Let's say it simply. Many moisturizing are damaging your skin ability to moisturize itself. Yes, your skin does know how to keep itself moisturized. We often need some form of added help because of the pollution in the air, the air core, the heating, the weather, the hormones, whatever goes in our body. But we don't want to use a product that makes more damage to our skin and the health. Because if you use like one of these products, and then you kind of like make the skin a bit lazy to create to moisturize itself. The result is a cycle of using more and more of the product to solve a problem, making it worse. So look at the labels of your product. If your moisturizer has paraffin, paraben, petroleum, all that bad chemical stuff, then I would change it to a natural, good one, because these ones are, you will see, you don't need overuse. You use a tiny bit and your skin is immediately reacting in a good way. It's like it feels moister, it feels soft, it looks glowing and healthy. I do have a lot of blogs about the chemicals in your cosmetics. You don't need to remember everything, but like I said, paraben, paraffin, petroleum, SLS, these like the main ones you want to avoid. It's also going to save you money, like you don't want to overuse your moisturizer and finish it within a week. Okay, skincare tip 3, wear SPF 30 and above, no matter what the weather is, okay? I see that more people are aware of this now, and I hope they do, because the UV rays are always attacking the skin, even in winter. So it's really important to wear at least 30 SPF every day. So the simple solution is like I use it in the cream, because I can mix it in the cream, and I use the separate natural mineral sun protection on my body. This is like the biggest anti-aging tip I can give you, because the sun is the fastest aging factor these rays are. So just add it to your routine, just do it. It's simple, it takes 1 second and you're gonna prevent a lot of stuff. Skincare tip 4, remove your makeup every night. I've been actually always good with this one, but you know, it takes 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes I understand, maybe you are like too tired and blah 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 blah, but I know people who were not removing their makeup when they were young, like partying and everything, and now in their 40s they regret it. Because every night our skin repairs and renew itself, working to repair itself from any damage or pollution that it's been exposed to. And it's been proven through scientific studies that not taking your makeup off your skin will age you very quickly. This is because makeup mixed with dirt and pollution builds on the skin, can be taking the ability of the skin to successfully regenerate and create breakdown, acne, you name it. So make it simple, 2 minutes, makeup remover on your face with a cotton pad, wash with water and a face cleanser. Trust me, this is the tip you don't want to skip. Skincare tip 5, what you put in your body is important as what you put on it. Your skin is an organ, and like all organs, it makes vitamins and minerals to stay healthy. And it's like, you know, like when you probably know it yourself, when you consume not amazing diet, when you like going hard on the sugars or like the quick fry food, you can see it on your skin, right? So we want to be aware of what we put inside our body. So, you know, I don't say be radical and fanatic, but take a balanced approach, like more vegetables and fruits and green and water drinking, with lemon preferably, will change your skin. You will see it yourself. The simple act of drinking water will have an effect on your skin. Everything, it's in and out work. Now, When you come over to my salon, you get my best tips and advice always. I never let you go out without what I feel that will help you. So you're welcome to come over and enjoy the beauty experience and some beauty tips.